Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to be doing a Thanksgiving hack. I'm going to show you guys how to doctor up boxed stuffing. So let's get started. This looks great. Doesn't even look like it comes from a box, but let me show you guys how I got it done. You're going to need some box stuffing. Of course, I just got the one from Kroger. It was $1, y'all. So this recipe is very cheap. Very cheap and not as time consuming. So yeah, you're gonna need some apples, onion, thyme, chicken broth or chicken stock. You need a pan, and the butter is on the other side of the kitchen. Right here I have some scallions. As you can see, I have mostly the green because I really want that color down in there. So to start, you want to melt down half a stick of butter. I know it sounds like a lot, but this is bread, y'all. You need a lot of butter. Then you're going to add your apples and onion. Mix that up. Get it nice and translucent. This is probably going to take 10 minutes to cook on medium heat. You want to soften your apples because they're not going to be in the oven for that long. So right here, I added my fresh thyme and some black pepper. I am not using salt in this recipe. It's totally upon your discretion. You already know this box stuff is high in sodium, so you don't need no salt, but a lot of people want to add the salt. That's fine. So right here, as you can see, everything's nice and coated in the butter. You want to empty out both packets of your stuffing mix down in here. You want to coat it. The reason why I did it here is because I want to coat it to make sure the butter got all over it. So this is why I did it here. I could just put it in the pan, but the butter part, I wanted it to soak it up. Once you transfer it to your pan right here, we're going to add the scallion and the broth, just like you see me doing here with my hands. I'm not sure I'm going to use all of that scallion. It is a lot, but you're then going to add your broth or your stock right down in here. You're going to mix it up. You want to super moisten it. Not like mashed potatoes, but you want it to be really softened. All right, so once you mix it up, you want to smush it down just like this. Don't press on it too much, but like, you know, level out the top just like how I'm doing right here. And then you're just going to pop this into a 375-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, just so the top could be nice and crusty, because once the top becomes crusty, your whole stuffing will be heated through by that point. So not that long at all. These are the apples that I use. These are my husband's favorite apples in the whole entire world. Low-key, I like them too. I'm not a big apple eater, but I'll eat these. Like, they're super delicious. So this is what the stuffing looks like straight out the oven. The top is nice and crusty, and I'm pretty sure the inside is nice and moist and ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I had a cool little fun making it. You can see the pieces of apple on top and throughout, you know, because I didn't cook it to death, but it's still nice and tender. And this is when I tasted it, and y'all, I couldn't believe it that it came out of a box, honestly. I think the extra step does help it out a bit. I hope you guys try it out. It's super fast to make and super duper cheap. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.